All right, YouTube, thanks for stopping by the channel. Have not posted anything in a while, but I need to get this one up. This is a 1985 era Ruger Security 6 blued 4-inch. This gun is something I am quite proud of the purchase I made on it. Not everything in my collection was a good price, I'm going to be honest, and some things I just kind of felt I had to have, and I paid what I had to get them at the time. And not most of my stuff was before COVID, but I picked up a few after and during the madness. But this one I just brought home for $369. I don't get deals like that normally. They're out there. I just don't get them. I'm going to turn on the light, the overhead light real quick, and we'll see if it looks any better. This often makes the guns look stainless, but we'll go over it like this a little bit, and then I'll turn the light off, I think. So, Security 6, 357. Let's, obviously I safety checked this before I started the video, but I'm just doing that primarily to show the shape of the cylinder. This gun is in great shape. I'm going to turn the lights back off. So how does Brypro 68 manage to get a good gun for $369 in this condition? Well, I'll tell you. Number one, it had rubber Pachmayr grips on them, which wasn't bad. They felt great. I'm going to be honest. They felt great. But number two, the cylinder was jacked up. It's almost like its previous owner took it, put it down somewhere, and there she sat. And fortunately, it's almost like they would have put it like that, or I don't know how they could have got it, where just the cylinder, that part that was touching down, was a little pitted. But Brypro 68 knows how to operate steel wool, and Brypro 68 knows how to operate oil with steel wool. And apparently the guys in the gun shop where I go to are all Glocks and SIGs, which I am too, but they didn't see the value in even trying to fix this themselves before putting it up on the shelf. And so $369 cost me, I think, $45 for these grips. They are the Sillies. It's, by all popular belief, the same exact Target grips or Target stocks Ruger would have shipped them with, just different medallions. But I don't need Ruger medallions because, quite honestly, I don't care if I have Ruger medallions. But I'm going to dry fire it. If that offends you, go ahead and click off. But this thing is smooth. Oh, it is, like I've stated before, just an ounce past willing it to go off, and double action starts heavy, but it's like, I've been at the range. It feels better when you're shooting it because you need like a millisecond to recover, but I love it. I do. So one of my better purchases, the Ruger 80s era Security 6. Thanks for watching.